The Central Bureau of Investigation has arrested a senior DGCA official and a Reliance Industries executive after allegedly catching them in the act of exchanging 2.5 lakh rupees in cash in a bribery case linked to drone import approvals. Officials said the arrests were made on April 18th involving Deputy Director General Mudawat Devyula and consultant Bharat Mathur, who was associated with Reliance-linked entities. The agency indicated that the accused had allegedly agreed on a bribery arrangement of 5 lakh rupees per file to clear pending import applications with the aviation regulator. Devyula was reported to have sought undue benefits in return for granting approvals, allegedly in collusion with private parties. Following the arrest, searches were carried out at multiple locations, including Devyula's residence, where investigators recovered around 37 lakh rupees in cash along with gold, silver and several digital devices. The CBI stated that the case was registered under the Prevention of Corruption Act and the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, invoking charges of criminal conspiracy and bribing a public servant through a commercial organization. Mathur is also linked to Astria Aerospace, a drone firm under Reliance Technology arm. The case adds to broader concerns around corruption, with India ranked 91 on Transparency International's Corruption Perceptions Index last year, compared to 76 a decade ago.